Hi, my name is Angus O'Donnell, and today I'm going to talk to you about Angelman syndrome. Well, to start off, what is Angelman syndrome? Well, Angelman syndrome is a complex genetic disorder that primarily affects the nervous system, causing development disabilities and nerve related symptoms. Of course, I could go into much more detail, but I don't want to bombard you with information, but to give you the key points on this condition. Symptoms of Angelman syndrome include differing in physical appearance. For example, in the photo, we can see a wide gap between the first and second toe, which will not normally appear in people without the condition. Some other symptoms are behavioural changes, which could include causing them to be happier than usual, for example, giggling or flapping of the hands. The change that occurs in the DNA to cause Angelman syndrome occurs in the 15th chromosome inherited from the mother, where DNA information has broken off or is missing during the development of an egg. The mother chromosome 15 starts normal, but the genetic material is lost during development of the egg. This is not the case all the time, as some people just have a fault known as mutation in the gene UBE3A in chromosome 15, resulting in the condition. This happens 1 in every 15,000 births, as it is very rare to occur, demonstrating the precision of DNA in development of a baby. Angelman syndrome is not inherited, as it occurs through mutation, meaning it does not come from the parents but happens by chance in development of the egg. This means Angelman syndrome is neither a dominant or recessive gene. The Punnett square shown demonstrates how Angelman syndrome occurs due to the combination of incomplete and complete chromosomes from both mother and father and the outcome of different combinations. The pedigree chart also shows how someone can inherit Angelman syndrome. As we can see, the UBE3A mutation is a recessive gene which is passed on, but the outcome of Angelman syndrome can only occur when a female has offspring. Even then, is there a chance that the offspring may not inherit Angelman syndrome? Angelman syndrome diagnosis methods are checking for clinical features like hyperactive behavior, speech problems, and flapping hands. Another method is performing DNA tests to detect mutations in chromosome 15. Angelman syndrome can be mistaken for autism, as they have similar symptoms, both physical and somatic. Sadly, there is not a cure for Angelman syndrome, but carriers may receive treatments to improve their standards of living, like speech therapy, behavior modification, and occupation therapy. The current piece of biotechnology that is available for people diagnosed with Angelman syndrome is a process called gene therapy. Gene therapy is using a virus to carry the missing gene into nerve cells so that the cells can produce proteins to fill in the missing gene. Gene therapy is yet to treat Angelman syndrome, but has proven successful to other diseases. Although rewarding, gene therapy is highly dangerous as it involves close contact to the brain or spine. The importance of raising for Angelman syndrome over other conditions is because it benefits on the individual's life and making their life a happier place even with their condition. Money is also needed for research, for development in treatment and methods to prevent this disease from happening in the future, and to start testing the effects of gene therapy has on the Angelman syndrome. There are many ways to help people diagnosed with Angelman syndrome, like fundraising and personally interacting with those diagnosed to help them have a good time. There are organisations such as AAS, standing for Australian Angelman Syndrome, that fundraise and spread awareness of the disease. In conclusion, I hope I have informed you with information on Angelman syndrome and made you aware of the genetic disease and its symptoms, treatments, and organisations.